So when you're stripping the paper, get that first top layer off. So work your way along like that. Which will then leave that glue behind. That's the next process. This is a little how-to then for removing the glue from your wallpaper. Without a wallpaper stripper like that. So if you don't want to go and spend the money on a wallpaper stripper, simple bucket and sponge, do what Ted's doing now, wet it, and then move on to the next wall, wet the next wall, so it gives the chance for the water to soak in and dissolve the glue, and then obviously go back, use your scraper, and then scrape the glue off, which we'll show you in a sec. Imagine over here that if I tried to scrape this off now, nothing. Whereas in a sec, once that water's had a chance to seep in, I'll leave it a bit longer, but you can see how much easier already that is. Just ease, no pressure putting into that. I'm literally just running the scraper along the wall. Steve actually prefers this than a wallpaper stripper, because obviously with the wallpaper stripper, where it starts wetting the wall that much, it starts obviously taking some of the plaster off, especially on an old one like this. If you put that on there, you've got the risk of that all blowing.